So Romel Santos, the winner of yesterday's one-on-one, talagang halatang they gave their all. It's just that talagang kinukulang sa end game.
Difficult combinations to the 9 na ipapasok niya para dito kay Michael Kina yesterday in our 1 versus 1.
Tuloy pa rin ang init ng bitaw niya.
Well, nasa kondisyon pa yan coming from last night. So, it's pretty clear that Coach Jaynard Arce really wants to have him on the table dahil
That's right.
may momentum pa itong si Pisok-Pasok.
3 balls away once again. What?
Probably one of the best we've seen tonight.
Pasok.
Napakabilis sa mga pangyayari dito. The Taguig Stallions book one more rack. They're now up 4-1